Today I'm going to be showing how to enable or disable NTFS long paths in Windows 10. So basically the maximum path length you can have is 260 characters. So while it's usually structured, when you think of a path, it starts with the drive letter and then there's a colon backslash and then it tells you the direction on how to locate a file or folder. So we actually have the ability in Windows 10 to determine if we want to enable paths longer than 260 characters. So we're going to be going through the group policy editor, which is not available for users of Windows 10 Home. However, this tutorial will apply for users of Windows 10 Professional and Enterprise and Education versions. So we're just going to jump straight into it. And we're going to start by heading over to the Start button. And we're going to type in group policy. And there should be an option right above control panel that says edit group policy. You want to left click on that. Underneath the computer configuration settings, you want to left click on the little arrow next to administrative templates. And then left click on the arrow again next to system. And then again the little arrow that appears next to file system. And then left click on the folder that says NTFS. Now you want to find the selection that says enable NTFS long paths on the right side here. So what you want to do is right click on it and then left click on edit. Now if you want to enable this feature, you want to left click on the enabled button on the left here and then left click on apply and OK. If you want to disable this feature, you can either select not configured or disabled and then again left click on apply and OK. And that's pretty much it. So at that point you could restart your computer and you should be good to go. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.